Money Show 2020 with the highly esteemed options trader, Joe Duarte, out of Dallas, who has an in-the-money option strategy. The name of your company?
Joe Duarte, inthemoneyoptions.com.
So that's also how a viewer would be able to get in contact with you, correct?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Can you start right off? What is your option strategy?
Well, I like to keep it simple. I think that for most people, if you stick with basic things such as buying calls or selling covered calls, that's a great place to start. Of course, I talk about all option strategies in my book, Options Trading for Dummies. So it's something that if you keep simple, you will do a lot better with. Over time, you can gain more experience.
Okay. An investor who has never touched options before, how would you recommend that they start to invest in options?
Well, the first thing they need to do is, or they should do, is learn how to pick good stocks. Because options trading is all about the underlying stock. If you don't pick good stocks, you're going to have a harder time. Because options trading is complicated. There are a lot of variables, a lot of balls that are in the air all the time. In this time with artificial intelligence as part of the landscape, it's more complicated. So they should learn how to pick good stocks and then build their options trading based on that.
Okay, that's very interesting, because so many of the options traders, they don't even look at the underlying. They're just looking for the technicals around it. But I agree with you. I think there's...
Well, the technicals are really hugely important, but you still need to find a good stock. And of course, there's other ways of doing it, but that over time, that will serve you the best.
Okay. Now, the stock market. What sectors are you worried about, and what sectors do you think will thrive going forward?
Well, I'm equally worried about all of them, and to be honest with you, because in this time when we have machine trading, money comes in and money goes out. And so, when things just go crazy, most things go crazy. That said, I really like the healthcare stocks, and I like some technology stocks. Most of all, at this point, I like the demographics that favor the housing stocks.
Okay, right. Do you see the Federal Reserve with all this volatility that we have and the jobs report that came out? Do you foresee that we might have another cut?
I'll tell you what, I would not want to be Jerome Powell at this point in time, because if he's going to be damned if he does and damned if he doesn't. If he cuts interest rates, the big fear is, boy, this time it won't work. If he actually raises interest rates, then it'll be a debacle. So it's a tough call. The bond market is telling us that we're going to have lower interest rates, and my bet would be that there's going to be lower interest rates. That will favor housing, unless something very drastic happens and ruins the bond market and the overall decent economy.
Okay, that's right. That's absolutely right.
Lots of things to think about.
Joe Duarte, thank you so much for joining us today at the Money Show in Orlando 2020.